It's been a while since I've been here, and I hate saying that, but I'm always happy to come on here whenever I can. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to me, please. And if you're returning to watch me, thank you so much. I really appreciate you coming back again. So you guys know that the last video I did about my Smile Life dental alignment treatment, I told you guys that I had 1 month left and then I would complete my treatment. So 1 month is here. I have completed the treatment. So I want to show you guys final results, and it doesn't stop there as well. I've got my retainers, and I'm gonna show you guys my retainers and also show you briefly, not so much in details, but show you a little bit how I am continuing to take care of my teeth. Because one thing about teeth alignment, and I found this out when I started my treatment, is that your teeth can actually move back to where they used to be or how they used to be if you do not wear your retainer. So if you want to go on this journey, make sure that after you've completed your teeth alignments that you go for the aftercare. So when you go for the aftercare, Smile Life will send you retainers, and they will also send you teeth whitening to keep your teeth clean. Okay, I'm going to show you my teeth whitening very soon, and also my retainer. And just to let you know that the subscription is really inexpensive. I think it's 197 for the whole year. So for that whole year, you get another retainer, another set of retainers after 6 months, I think, and you also get your teeth whitening kit. So it's really affordable, in my own opinion, for the service that they're offering. Before I show you my final results, I would like to say that Smile Life is amazing. I absolutely love their customer service. I'm just trying to grab my retainers. I love their customer service. It's amazing. There is no time that I contact them to ask questions that they don't hop on immediately and answer me. So I do like them. And also, can I mention that all of this can be done remotely. You do not have to go into their clinic to get it done. Everything I did during this treatment was done online. So if you have missed any of the videos that I made, I'm gonna leave the links so that you can go and watch them. First of all, let's show the result and see what you guys think. For those of you who know me really well, you guys know that I have 2 huge gaps at the sides of my teeth. The gaps have closed, and those gaps made me really insecure. I'm gonna insert a picture so that you guys can see how huge the gaps were. Before I go ahead and put on my retainer, I'm going to show you guys how I do my teeth whitening with the teeth whitening kit that Smile Life sent to me. So here's the new one that came with my retainers, but I'm going to use my old one. Okay, so here's the pen, and you can see it's quite full. So I'm gonna twist. Okay, you can see the liquid there, and I'm gonna go ahead and say I have completed the teeth whitening, and I've gone to the bathroom to wash this. So make sure that it's nice and clean, and also the pen, so the tape has been rinsed off before I then close and pop back into the box. So I'm going to put on my retainers, and this one is the top one, similar to the aligner, really easy to wear, and the bottom one. So that's the box that my retainer came in, and in that box I also have this is where you store your retainers, just the way you store your aligners. I want to show you guys a final item that I got from Smile Life. I mean, this is not part of my treatment, but I wanted to show you guys this product because it's amazing. So nice. I've shown this on my Instagram. So this is the electric toothbrush. I don't know why I keep saying this when it's an electric toothbrush. Obviously, I've been using this for a while, and it has a replacement brush. This one is still quite good. It's got different settings. Just look at the buzz. I wanted to show you the toothbrush because it's amazing, and you can recharge it by plugging it, and it will charge, and the battery lasts so long. I think mine lasted me up to 2 months. I'm not even kidding you, or even more since I started using it. Can you hear that? This, obviously you can reduce it. That is much more gentle. Has different settings here. Has the teeth whitening setting, and if you want like the amazing brushing, you can set it, and if you want something more gentle, you can also set it. I need to switch that off. Okay, so that's the toothbrush from Smile Life. So if you want to buy that as well, you can go ahead and get it from them. I really recommend this electric toothbrush from Smile Life. It does brush your teeth really well. I really like it. Clear aligners are always better because no one knows that you're wearing anything to align your teeth, and so are the retainers. So you can't tell that I'm wearing anything. You can't. So I can wear this as long as I want, and it's not a problem. Obviously, just like the aligners, do not chew with it, do not drink anything hot with it, and only when you're drinking water that you can have them on. But if you're drinking things like juices or wine, take them out, have your juice and your wine, then rinse your teeth and pop them back on. They're really easy to use, and I would always recommend this. Now I can smile, I can look at people and really smile without thinking, are they looking at those gaps in my teeth? Are they wondering why my teeth are so bad? And most importantly, trolls are gonna leave me alone now. You guys, I used to post my pictures on Instagram, like close-up pictures, and you will find someone saying, did you miss out on braces when you were a kid? And that used to really hurt my feet. I quickly delete it, but then I think about it. Not to say that I'm doing things to please people, but if there's something that is embarrassing to you that you would like to change, why not go ahead and do it? So that's exactly what I did, and I'm so happy with this treatment. So thank you so much for being with me throughout this journey. So this is my final video on Smile Life, and if you want to check them out, I will leave all the links in the description box below, and also links to my other Smile Life videos. Okay, so that's it for today. I shall see you guys again very soon. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.